Come test drive the 2025 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, front-wheel drive, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.